Greetings, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. What you're about ready to see has never been shown before on TV, or anywhere for that matter. But I'm showing it to you as an exclusive. I hope you enjoy it. Right. The process that you just seen is not special. It's the person that does the work that's special. So you can do this as well. The results are tremendous when in fact you do this. Just merely cleaning the headstone will result in what you've seen today. a major improvement to the headstone that you're cleaning. Now, this is something that you can do, and you can get others to do as well. So, nothing particularly special. What's special is you. So please like, subscribe, and share the video. And let others know about what they can do and how they can do it. Take care. God bless. Until next time. Hello, folks. This is Jim Phillips once again with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. You know, all of the work that we do in cleaning veteran graves is to be able to educate and bring awareness to the need to go out and do this. It helps all the families. It does help particularly those who are trying to put flags out at Memorial Day and wreaths during Wreaths Across America in the fall. But I want to thank this group for 2025 who had made donations to us. The Maumee Post, the American Legion, Post 320, VFW Post 9816, Con Weisenberger, American Legion Post 587, Dr. Lester Sharpton, a friend from my Air Force days, and the Veterans Support Foundation of the National Veteran Business Development Council, and the Veteran Task Force who's given a sizable donation to support us. So thank you very much for all you do for me so that I can do the things for the veterans that we serve. So thank you very much. God bless everyone, and pray for our future. We're having a good time, but we still need more laborers in the vineyard. God bless. Bye-bye.